Saan? Isang drill.
Get jazzy on. I'm that flight that you get on. International. First class seat on my lap, girl. Riding comfortable. Cause I know what that girl them need. New York to Haiti. I got lipstick stamps on my passport. You make it hard to leave. Been around the world, don't speak the language. But your booty don't need explaining. All I really need to understand is when you talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Get jazzy on them. You know the words in my songs. No habla English. Our conversations
sabihin mo yung pangalan mo, Pia Alonzo. Halika dito, punta ka sa camera. Sabihin mo, Pia Alonzo Wurzbach.
Pia Alonzo Wurzbach, Philippines!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lakat na. Doon naman sa kabila.
I say out too late. Got nothing in my brain.
Sige pa.
That's what people say.
Mary Jane Lastimosa naman. Sabihin mo,
Mary Jane Lastimosa,
Philippines.
Philippines.
Babu. Na, iba naman. Balik naman dito. Janine Togonon. Sabihin mo, Janine Togonon.
Janine Togonon, Philippines!
Balik, iba naman. Balik naman dito. Shamsi Supsup. Oo, sabihin mo.
Shamsi Sapsap, Philippines!